In this quick guide, we'll show you how to use the Eclipse Tools 4-way indent crimper. Strip your wires either 5/16 for lugs or 3/4 inch for splice caps. Feed your wires through the splice and twist the ends using a pair of lineman's pliers. Set the latch to the appropriate position for your connector size. Insert the splice cap into the crimper until it hits the stop plates. Wires will stick out the back. Give the handles a good grip and complete your crimp. Cut off the excess wire flush with the splice cap.